I like this digital Christmas tree.
It needs more holographic lights.
What is that drone doing?
It is making a big mess. There is too much tinsel now. We cannot see the floor. Can you help us fix this? I tried to delete the decorations.
Now the candy is dancing.
Let's sync the festive lights. Look, this is a viral moment.
I need a hot chocolate now.
I hope this machine works better.
It is making a loud noise.
It looks very hot. It is everywhere.
First the tinsel, now the chocolate. Is this happening to you too?
I am trying to stop the flow.
Oh no, the screen is broken.
Look, it is a snow globe.
This is a beautiful accident. We need a gift for the party.
Let's find something very special here.
This robot wants to wrap us.
It is moving very fast. The robot is wrapping the whole market.
Everything is a giant gift now. What is inside these boxes?
I tried to turn it off.
Now it is a loud party. Let's open them all together.
Wow, look at the beautiful gold.
The gifts are safe. Let's go home.
I am ready for the Christmas party.
Oh no, the ribbon is in the door.
The pod cannot move now. There are ribbons in the vents. There are ribbons in the vents.
Do you like our new station?
I pulled it, but now they sing.
We are stuck in a musical. The music is the key.
This is the best ride ever!
We are finally at the rooftop party.
The view is very beautiful today. This card is hitting my head.
It is a floating Christmas card.
There are cards in the sky.
Look, the cards are moving together.
Do you see the giant shape?
I am covered in digital cards.
Everything is spinning very fast.
We just need to clap. We just need to clap.
It is a giant Santa Claus.
We are finally home. What a day.
It is time to rest now.
Is the machine shaking again?
I think it is very angry. There is pink foam on the floor.
The foam is moving like a person. Is it a Christmas ghost?
I tried to hide the mess.
The foam is too strong.
We just need to drink.
It is a tropical Christmas. We need more food for the new year.
I want to buy some digital fruit.
Is this machine following us?
It looks very strange today. The vegetables are flying now.
The food is a Christmas parade. Do you want a flying apple?
I am floating with the fruit.
Now everything is small confetti. I will reset the dome. We ate too many Christmas snacks today.
I need to run for 20 minutes. Why is this machine here again? It is everywhere we go. The floor is moving very fast.
The gym is a dance party now. Are you tired of exercise too?
I tried to stop the machine.
Now we have a snowball fight. Let's turn the snow into gifts.
This gym is very beautiful now.
I want to play a Christmas game.
Let's win a big digital prize.
Why is that robot in the game?
It is very large and scary. The game is coming into the room.
Everything is a virtual present now. Do you like this virtual world?
I tried to turn it off.
Now there are elves everywhere. We must open the big gift.
The prize is very beautiful. Subscribe for more adventures.